If xy is a solution to the systems of equations above, what is the value of x plus y? So this is our equations and we are going to find for x plus y. So in our equation, we are going to find each of the following variable x and y. So to find that, we can easily find for the x here by cancelling out the y here. So we have 1 half x minus 2 and a half x, that is negative 1, and 1 half x is equal to 6. 1 and 1 half x, that is negative 3 halves x is equals to 6. Going to multiply both sides by 2 to erase the denominator. That is negative 3x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by negative 3. X will be negative 4. So we have already our value for x. So now we are going to substitute the value of x here in our equation. Negative 2x minus y is equal to 5. Let's plug the x, which is negative 4, minus y is equal to 5. That is 8. Negative y was to 5. Transpose 8 to other side. Negative y is equal to 5 minus 8. Negative y, subtract negative 3. Since it is negative, we are going to multiply both sides by negative 1 to make it positive. Our y equals to 3. So our equation says x plus y, that is x negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1. So the answer is negative 1.